Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So welcome to EVS class. Today we will start our new chapter, saying without speaking. Okay? We all know about the world through our sense organs. How do we come to know about the world? How can we see the colorful world? Through our eyes. So we come to know about the world, what is happening around us through our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, tongue, skin, nose and ears. Okay, these sense organs help us to know about the world. Okay, we use our eyes for seeing the colorful world, tongue for taste. We can taste delicious food items by our tongue. Skin to have a touch sense. Okay, skin for touch sense. Nose for smelling and the ears for sound. We can hear by our ears. Okay, so most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. Okay, these people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. We all know that we can see, hear what is happening around us, but in this world there are some people who cannot hear nor speak. Okay, how can they hear or speak? They understand our language by their lip movements, like we have done in the game Damsharaz. Okay, you can see in these pictures in the game Damsharaz, we use our lip movements or actions to enact our feelings or words. I have, okay, all of us cannot do everything. Some of us sing well, others write good poetry, some can climb trees quickly, while others can run fast. Some can draw well, others can sing in tune. We are all special in our ways, own ways. So we all are special because we all have some special quality what we can do, like we one can sing better, one can dance better. Okay, hence in school we can learn from each other, like all children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to write and read and write. In schools sign language is taught to them. How can they learn? They learn from their sign language. Okay, so I have told you most of us can see, hear, feel and touch things around us. We have a healthy body and mind, but there are some people who do not have a healthy body or mind or both. These people are special people. What are they called? They are special people. Why? Because they need special care. These are special because they need special care from us. Okay, who are special people? Special people are blind, deaf, dumb or handicapped. Blind people who can't see are blind. Deaf who can't hear are deaf. Dumb who cannot speak, can't speak, they can't speak, they are called dumb. What are handicapped? People who can't walk. Okay, who can't, these are special people. Okay, thank you. This is for today.